Hi, what's up YouTubers? So I'm coming back with another video today. Now, today this video will be a unboxing and a slight review on Bath and Body Works, as you can see in this box over here. Now the first thing that came in the box was your receipt, of course. Then on the back, it tells you tips and 4 tips to safely enjoy your candles, and it came with a copy of 2 just in case anything got damaged or you need to resend something back. Now secondly, it came with a we love sale. Secondly, they give you a paper. Now this one has the code up here, which is a coupon code, and then it also has a code that you can hashtag all of your items that you bought with. Now let's see what I received. Now this is the Bath and Body Works Watermelon Lemonade scented candle. This is their summer collection candle, and it smells really good. The color is like a violet purple. And then on the bottom, it gives you the original price, which is $24.50. Since they had their semi-annual sale, this was only $11.25. So I got that one candle. Then I got another candle. This candle is cannoli and chocolate from Italy. And this candle smells really good. And as I told you, the price is always on the bottom, how to handle the candle. Then the top, it's a 3-wick. And this one is white, and it smells really good. I like their candles because they leave your house smelling wonderful. It's a long-lasting scent, and you get your money's worth. I always try to catch a sale on their candles because, as I said, they are pretty pricey, like Yankee candles. $24.50 is a lot for just one candle, so catching a sale is a good thing. Now, this one is root beer float. I was like, when I first seen this, I was like, oh, this kind of seems weird to have your house smelling like a root beer. But when you smell it, it smells just like root beer float. Like, you get exactly what you're asking for. The label is so pretty, and this candle is also white as well. And I love that one. That one's gonna be one of my favorites. Now this one, which I loved it because it was black and it just caught my eye for some reason. Now on the top, it has white beam. And then it has the beautiful peach symbol in the front. And it says peach. And then it tells you it's a white barn candle. And when you open it, it is huge, you guys. Look at that. Now this ran for $24.50 as well. And this candle smells so light, but I can tell if you light it, it will definitely have your house smelling wonderful. Now let's get to the next one. Okay. This one is strawberry mimosa. Now, this candle smelled so good to me. Oh, I wish they had scented on here. They will probably make that on YouTube soon. Now this is light pink as well, and it came with the silver top. This one also ran for $22.50. So this one was a little bit cheaper. But you guys, they all smell wonderful. Whenever you can catch a sale, please do buy Bath and Body Works candles. I'm not sponsored for them. They're not paying me to do this review. This is my honest opinion. Everything that I picked out was of my choice. No one paid me, so you're getting the real deal. Now, the next thing that I did get, which I actually got 2 of the same things, were the Coconut Lime Breeze. Now the Coconut Lime Breeze, they also come with the triple moisture body cream on your ashy and dry days. And then they come with the body lotion, which is the light water-based lotion. I've got 2 of these. Now I can say something about the Coconut Lime Breeze cream. The cream is so richening. It's definitely a winter-based product. Now this one will definitely leave you moisturized. Now this one is definitely for summer. The formula is definitely meant for summer. It's light, it's water-based, it'll have you smelling wonderful, it lasts long. And this one comes with 8 fluid ounces. This one is 8 fluid ounces as well. So as you can see, both of these are 8 fluid ounces, so you get your money's worth. Both of these valued for $12.50. $12.50. Now let me see how much I paid for these. Let's see here. Coconut Lime Breeze. I only paid $6, you guys. $6 for both of these. $6 from $12.50, and this one is $13. Yeah, $13 and $12.50, and both were $6. You can't beat that. So yes, I did catch me a sale. Okay. Now, this is one of their original scents that I absolutely love, you guys. This one is Be Enhanced. No, Be Enchanted. I'm sorry. Be Enchanted. Now, this one is a shower gel. It is 10 fluid ounces. Now, let's see how much this one valued for. $12.50. $12.50 for 12 fluid ounces. Now, let's see how much I got it for. $6. $6 versus $12.50. What are you thinking about? Okay. Yeah, but this is a Shea and Vitamin E shower gel. Now this smell, let's see, it says, let me sniff it. This one is more like a vanilla flower fragrance. It is so good. But you guys, when they say they have semi-annual sales, you need to catch them seriously, because this is worth a value. Now, another one that I did receive was the Violet Sugar. Oh my gosh. This one smells so wonderful. It makes you think of beach weather and fun and happiness and everything summer. Now, this one is also the 10 fluid ounces. It is $12.50 as well. $6 value. You do the math, honey. Saving money, living better. Okay. Now, this one is the Violet Sugar lotion. So I both got a set. I have the lotion and then I have the shower gel. $6. You can't beat it. Now, let's see here. I have one more shower gel. The Brown Sugar and Fig. This is my absolute favorite out of all the ones that I have bought. I wish I would have got the lotion with this one. You guys, this one smells so good. 10 fluid ounces, only for $6. Value for $12.50. Look at the color. I wish you guys can smell it. Oh my God. It reminds me of the Victoria's Secret Brown Sugar and Fig that they used to have back in the day. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I miss this scent. I'm so glad they came back out with it. It smells wonderful. Now, another thing that I know you guys are going to have a conniption about this one. I got, yes, the outlet scents. Now I know you're thinking, Marquita, oh my gosh, how much did you pay for all of those? Girl, you're crazy. Nope. Now wait till I tell you how much I paid for all of these. Let me see here. Where are these at? Root beer. Okay, all of these are $4.60. $4.60. Now let's see the original price. $6.50 a piece. But I caught a deal. I think it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it was like 6 for $12. Yeah. And both of these are $6.50. So you do the math. Do the math, okay? That's a lot of money. I saved a whole lot. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over which ones that I did receive. I have the Tahiti Beach. I chose Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. And then I got another Passion Fruit. And then I got another Tahiti Beach. And then I ordered the Linen and Lavender, you know, just to give you a fresh scent, fresh laundry smell through your house. And then the Rainforest Gardenia. So you can imagine what that smells like. That's like the nice jungle flower scent. So good value, good price. You guys cannot beat this sale. Please check out their sale, their semi-annual sale, before it closes. Make sure you guys like and subscribe my video and comment below on your opinions on their semi-annual sale if you have bought something from them. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, you guys have a good day. Thank you so much for watching.